guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a tour of our hotel. So first we have this couch is drawn behind this, and it folds into a bed. And then there's a desk right here, and you can work on it. And here's the TV. Move it. Here's a drawer, and then here's 2 beds, and then here's the bathroom. There's this, and then the toilet, and then the shower. Now as we go out, we see this nice and then here's these. And that's our tour for our hotel. Bye.